Greetings viewers. If you subscribe now, you'll be able to watch our carefully crafted, thoroughly researched videos. At the conclusion of each video, I'll ask a question and you can respond in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Today, we will discover how turmeric can be beneficial for almost every aspect of our lives. Turmeric, a spice commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisine, has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Recent scientific research has found that turmeric contains compounds known as curcuminoids, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for a wide range of health conditions. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a normal immune response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of many chronic diseases such as arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. Curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Turmeric also has been found to have neuroprotective properties. Studies have shown that curcumin may help to protect the brain against damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. This is of particular interest, as it can potentially help with cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. Turmeric has also been found to have potential benefits for heart health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood clots, and preventing damage to the blood vessels. Turmeric has also been found to have anti-cancer properties. Curcumin has been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and to induce their death. This makes it a promising agent in cancer prevention and treatment. Turmeric has also been found to have a role in skin health. Curcumin has antioxidant properties that can help to protect the skin against damage caused by UV radiation, pollution, and other environmental toxins. Curcumin also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and irritation caused by certain skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. In addition to these, turmeric also has been found to have potential benefits for joint health, digestive health, wound healing, and many other health conditions. This is not an exhaustive list, and many more studies are ongoing to research its benefits on health. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the effects of turmeric on various health conditions. And the benefits are obtained from the compounds found in turmeric, curcumin in particular. While consuming turmeric in food or supplement form may have health benefits, consuming excessive amounts of turmeric can cause gastrointestinal upset and may interact with certain medications. It's best to talk to a healthcare professional before taking. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.